In this aid, we will voice our for the most part own and market's perspective on UO's future while examining the ultra cost figure for 2022 and then some, which truly is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you ought to really believe this and especially other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, basically not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ultra. Presently, how about we head into it, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Before we dive kind of profound into the ultra value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that UO's is a sort of wise venture or not, for what reason will UO's especially succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ultra value rise or drop, we should rapidly especially toss a look at what UO's is and its to-date history in an unobtrusive manner. UO's value expectation for the following 90 days, which is very huge. The exceptionally entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable really bear market. Bitcoin for the most part has generally drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers basically are selling hazardous resources and moving into most certainly more by and large stable business sectors. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This generally is for the most part reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to especially find an in every way that really matters, nearby base before we can move in the genuinely inverse bearing and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to fundamentally do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many explicitly times in the separated and in every practical sense, later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We sort of expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse approach to crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture in a genuinely significant manner. Essentials that we certainly assess fundamentally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab in a quite large way. Ultra Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We really see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 October, as opposed to mainstream thinking. -16.41% $0. 3288-2022 November in an unobtrusive manner. -30.11% $0. 2749-2022 December -30.75% $0. 2724-2023 Jan in an especially huge manner. -17.85% $0. 3231-2023 February in an unpretentious manner. -18.59% $0. 3202-2023 Blemish, which especially is very critical. -8.27% $0. 3608-2023 April, or so they thought. -6.11% $0. 3693-2023 May, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. -1.56% $0. 3872-2023 June, which especially is very critical. +9.05% $0. 4289-2023 July, which certainly is very huge. +14.66% $0. 4510-2023 August, which certainly is genuinely critical. +18.94% $0. 4678-2023 September plus 22.40% $0.4814 UO's value forecast 2025 in a genuinely significant manner. Our expectation model sees UO's reaching $0.7473 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will UO's especially be really worth in 5 years? The cost of UO's in 5 years could fundamentally lie around $0, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ultra value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ultra will generally be worth in 2030 in a significant manner. Our anticipating model sees Ultra reaching $0 in 2030, which is very critical. What Ultra will, all things considered, be for the most part worth in 2040, which truly is genuinely huge. Our Guajing model sees Ultra reaching $0 in 2040. Will Ultra supplant/outperform/explicitly surpass Bitcoin, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. No, Ultra won't trade or in every way that really matters, overwhelm BTC in an unpretentious way. Can Ultra generally reach $10, which by and large is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Ultra to truly reach $10 in the kind of short or midterm period, which is genuinely critical. Can Ultra in every way that really matters, reach $100, or so they in a real sense thought? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Ultra to sort of reach $100 in the very short or midterm period, or so they essentially thought. How certainly high will Ultra go? Our determining model sees Ultra cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Ultra worth purchasing? We don't see a for the most part brilliant future for Ultra in an essentially large manner. It generally is somewhat worth purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave procedure. Ultra truly is certainly not a sort of good long-haul hold in a very huge manner. Is Ultra an essentially wise speculation, or so they for the most part thought? Ultra explicitly is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why in a kind of enormous manner? Indeed, it in every way that really matters, faces a furious rivalry from truly other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a veritable local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the task by and large is doubtful, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Can Ultra basically make you a mogul, which in a real sense is very critical? No. Ultra could not make you a tycoon as we at any point explicitly don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out.